Hello, welcome to the 7th grade science department. My name is Miriam Bravo.
I'm Miss Mum.
I'm Mrs. Knowles.
And I'm Mrs. Pierre.
Today you're going to be studying the scientific method using a virtual lab. Please be sure to go through the entire PowerPoint for directions on how to complete a packet. At the end, you should have a packet completed for a classroom grade. Have fun!
Hello class, today you're going to do a lesson on the scientific method through a virtual lab. What are the steps to the scientific method? Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis, test the hypothesis, analyze the results, draw a conclusion, and communicate your results. Your directions to the virtual lab. First, you're going to print out the virtual lab activity sheet. Then you're going to answer questions 1 through 10 in complete sentences as you complete the virtual lab online. Use the internet to research definitions and concepts on the lab. After you are completely done, you will turn the lab in for a classwork grade. Remember to do a data chart while you're doing the virtual lab as well. The virtual lab. You will be going on to the website that's clearly indicated on the virtual lab activity sheet. Once you get to the website, you're going to click on the word Scientific Method Program. Next to the word Scientific Method Program, you're going to click on Continue and enter your first and last names. If you are still unsure of the steps involved in the scientific method, you will click on the word tutorial on the website to watch a review. If you're ready to begin, you'll click on the word Cricket. You will follow the directions given in the virtual lab to fill in your data chart and graph. Remember to provide titles and labels and then answer the question on the lab sheet. I'm going to go through the website and I need you to follow along as I'm going through the website so that when it's your turn to go through the website, you'll know where you'll need to be. On the website, you'll see the biology department and the word Scientific Method Program. When you get to the website, you're going to be clicking on the word Scientific Method Program. You will sign in by clicking the word Continue when you get to the website. Once you click the word Continue, you will type in your name. When you're at your website, you will see on the left-hand side a tutorial about the scientific method and underneath the cricket experiment. The steps to the scientific method are listed in the menu on the left. Clicking on a topic will take you to the part of the exercise. Use only the menu buttons provided within the scientific method for navigation. Do not use the back button of your browser. You'll click Tutorial or Cricket button to begin studying the scientific method when you go on the website. As you move into the website, you'll find the word Introduction. This is a program in which you will use the scientific method to solve a problem of a chirping cricket. Please just listen along so that you'll get an idea of what you're going to be looking at when you get to the website. You will work from the menu on the left. It will perhaps be best to go logically through the menu first to last, but as a scientist, you are free to work through the problem in any manner you wish. If you become confused about the scientific method, go back and do the tutorial. You're going to first define a problem. On several hikes in the White Tank Mountains, you have come across the same noisy cricket. However, every time you hear him, he is chirping at a different rate. On your first trip in the area, the cricket was chirping like this. When you go online, this is what you'll see. It will provide you with a chart. Make sure that you write down the chart in your activity sheet. Several months later, you hike in the same area. To your surprise, you'll see the same cricket. However, you are puzzled to hear him chirp much faster than before. Again, they'll give you information on the chart. You'll need to indicate that in your data. After you go home, you begin to think about the cricket. Curiosity gets the best of you and you decide to hike into the area one more time. Unbelievably, you come upon the same cricket. He is, of course, chirping. but he is chirping faster than the first time, but slower than the second. Again, they're going to give you data, and so when you get online, make sure that you write the data on your activity sheet. Each time you have seen the cricket, he has chirped at a different frequency. This seems strange, so you decide to investigate further. You catch him and take him back to the lab. Once you have the cricket in the lab, you need to define a problem that can be investigated scientifically. This is where you will start creating your problem. You will be going to the website and you will go through everything I did, and then when you get here, you'll need to create a problem and then finish the virtual lab. Once you get to the website, these are the questions you'll be answering. 1 through 10. This is question 1 through 6. Then you have questions 7, 8, 9, and 10. Please go through the entire virtual lab to answer these questions and then turn in for a classwork grade. Now it's your turn. First, you'll need to print your virtual lab sheet. Then you need to go to the website that's located on the virtual lab sheet. If you have any questions, you can always go back and review this video. Have fun